The PG&E Energy House Calls team is on the central coast of California to meet the Otvos family.
The coast is clear. Okay. Come on.
They've given themselves just a few hours to help the family take charge of their energy.
Energy guide. Loved it.
How big an impact can they make? Find out on this episode of Energy House Calls, presented by PG&E.
This is the home of the Otvos family. Let's see what we can do to get their energy use under control.
Peter and Gina Otvos are raising 3 beautiful daughters. Their family life is rich.
You can have some of mine. Sharing is caring.
Okay.
But after Peter's lengthy layoff, finances are stretched thin.
Can you help me lift up the bag? Money has been tight, so we're looking for any place that we can save.
Today's energy challenge is a big one. Out with the old and in with the new ways to save.
So what do we got over here, you guys?
These are about 17 years old.
Whoa, 17 years old.
The dishwasher, I basically have to run it twice.
And how about the refrigerator?
Well, it has its leaking issues.
So it's not efficient at all.
And the Otvos' garage revealed a clothes washer and dryer that were older than their daughters. It's no wonder that the family is having a hard time saving energy. That's where PG&E comes in.
How about all hands in? Ready? And let's make it happen. Here we go.
The kitchen appliances need to go, and so does the inefficient lighting. For the PG&E Energy House Calls team, it's a kitchen overhaul, fast-track style. As our construction expert Dave started his secret kitchen overhaul, the family hit the garage.
Ave, I need your help. Go ahead and hit that button.
But first, they need the right tools. The new clothes washer can save up to 37% on energy and uses nearly 50% less water.
Nice job!
PG&E offers rebates on a long list of qualifying appliances and home improvements.
What rhymes with rebate?
No idea.
Smart rate.
Gina signed up for Smart Rate. When energy demand peaks on smart days, she can save money by shifting energy use to the mornings or late evenings. They found a high-efficiency fridge, stove, microwave, and dishwasher that together could save the Otvos hundreds of dollars a year on energy. They lit the kitchen's workspace with a few new fixtures. This family was about to experience a change in energy.
All right, are you guys ready?
Absolutely. Yes. Oh my God.
Are you kidding me? This is our kitchen. It's beautiful.
You know, words are kind of hard to express. It's overwhelming. It just takes your breath away.
I don't think we had any idea how much energy the old appliances were using.
You don't have to replace every single appliance to make an impact on your energy bill. Replacing just one outdated appliance can save energy. The way you use it can save even more, like using the cold setting for laundry. That alone can reduce your clothes washer's energy usage by 50 to 90% a year.
I'm actually excited to see our next PG&E bill.
Yeah.
The change seemed almost immediate. After the team replaced the appliances and upgraded the kitchen and dining room lighting to be more energy efficient, their energy bill started decreasing. Even during the holiday season, when colorful lights were left on for hours at a time, they continued to see more of the same kind of savings. And the money saved was put towards a family trip to the city for a fun-filled weekend. You too can make easy energy-saving improvements just like the Otvos family. You can start by replacing the old bulbs around your home with LED lights. The newest LEDs can now achieve brightness and color quality comparable to traditional lighting and can use up to 75% less energy. You can also find easy ways to save by using our home energy checkup on PGE.com and instantly receive personalized cost-saving recommendations. To find out how your family can start saving, just like the Otvos family, visit us at energyhousecalls.com.